Hello my young artists. So today in this video we'll be creating a beautiful mesmerizing watercolor painting of Chandrayan-3. All you need is some watercolor paper, pencil, brushes and your favorite watercolors. So to start with, we'll be drawing a very light sketch using pencil. So start by drawing the surface of moon. And then we draw the Pragyan rover landed on it. You can use a ruler for making straight lines or just go freehand over here and make a rough sketch. Add more details with the pencil so that you have a detailed sketch. Now imagine a beautiful earth in the middle of the sky. Make a bright sun and don't forget to add a few planets floating around. So now it's time to bring out the watercolors. First, we'll be starting with the earth and we'll create the first layer of watercolors on it using a light green and a light blue color. While it dries, we'll be coloring all the planets. I will be using brown and yellow ochre for the planet. And just by using a little bit of water, I'll blend those colors over there. Now let's come back to the earth. So use a darker green and a darker blue to show the land and the ocean. This makes our planet look more interesting. And for the sun, let's start by wetting the area with water and then paint red, orange and yellow, letting the colors blend together. And then it's time for the moon. So for the moon, let's paint it grayish for the craters on it and then add a bit of white to make them shine. Blend them again with a big brush, be it flat or round, and a little bit of water for making it a rough but still interesting effect. The rover and the Pragyan will be golden yellow and brown. We'll be adding some orange for creating some highlights on it. Then once everything dries up, it is time for painting the space. Around the sun, use yellow to make it glow. Around earth, add little light blue to give it a nice aura. As we move away, make the blue darker and darker. Use dark blue, violet and black for a deep space. Mix the colors with water for a smoother look. Take a big flat brush so that you can color bigger areas faster. Use water, more water so that the color stays wet for a longer time and it will help you to blend these colors nice and proper. Be very careful with the black color because when we add a lot of black, we have a great chance of spoiling the artwork. So be very careful with the black color. Now, once all of this will dry up, wait for it for a few more minutes and then just use two brushes, add some stars to the sky and use a black marker for adding a little outline for the rover Pragyan. And voila, you did it. Your watercolor painting of Chandrayan-3 is ready. Every color you use tells a story. So show off your creations proudly and keep exploring your creative side.